Hello everybody, I am creating the record of my recently published research article in a journal, and let us see the journal and the paper. Yes, this is the journal. Journal name is Vidya Bharati International Interdisciplinary Research Journal, peer reviewed journal. ISSN number is 2319-4979. This is the website of the journal. Journal of Science, Engineering, Technology, Arts and Humanities, Commerce and Management. Now the paper is published in the special issue. I click on special issue. After that I got this page where the special issue of 2020 and 2021 paper is published in the October special issue of 2021. Yes, this is Fostering Human Resilience, Catalyst for Management, Science and Technology, October 2021 issue. Click on this. After clicking this, I got this page where the paper is published into the part 10. I click on part 10. It is started downloading the part 10 of this special issue. Now I need to go to my folder where it is downloaded, and download document part 10. Yes, this is the part 10. In this part 10 many papers are published. Now let us find my paper S.AHAMAD. Yes, got it. Vidya Bharati International Interdisciplinary Research Journal Special Issue, ISSN number 2319-4979. The title of the paper is Analyzing the Role of Psychological Stressors and Machine Learning and its Impact on Project Management Performance. I am here as Ahmed, and my other contributors of the paper are these: my College of Computer Science and Engineering, University of Hail, Saudi Arabia. This is my email ID drshah@gmail.com. Abstract of the paper. After that, introduction. A special issue on Fostering Human Resilience, Catalyst for Management, Science and Technology, October 2021. Page started 67. Yes. Okay, so page is going on. Paper is this. Literature review. After that, this is the table. Methodology of the research. After this we have variable low, high, moderate. This is table of psychological stress factor influencing the productivity of project manager. Research and findings. This is the research and finding. Psychological stressor impact on project manager. ISSN 2319-4979, Vidya Bharati International Interdisciplinary Research Journal, special issue, the conclusion of the paper and the future work. References, and this is the end of this paper on the page number 873, and the end of part 10 also of a special issue. So we'll go back and we'll check again the title and other information. Yes, analyzing the role of psychological stressors and machine learning and its impact on project manager performance. ISSN number is this. Yes, now I will copy this ISSN number and we'll go to the some more information related to indexing of this paper. Here I will search Web of Science Master Journal List. This is the Web of Science Master Journal List link in the Google. click here, Web of Science Group Master Journal list, and this is the whole page of Web of Science. Yes, so here by pasting journal name, title or ISSN number, you can find the information about the journal, whether it is indexed or not. This is the ISSN number of the journal. Search journal. Okay, got it. Found one result, Web of Science Group. This is the journal ISSN number. After that, found one result, Vidya Bharati International Interdisciplinary Research Journal, and this is here Web of Science Group. This is the complete page of Web of Science. Search result, view profile page. When I click here, I will see the profile of this journal here in this Web of Science. Yes, this is the profile page of this journal, Vidya Bharati International Interdisciplinary Research Journal, and journal website. Yes, this is the main link of the journal in the Web of Science group. This is. So now I will click on visit site page to visit the website of the journal. Yes, by clicking here, it is open. I close this and do once again visit site. Click on visit site. This is the main home page of the journal. Now I will click on special issue 2021 and the same number 10 or 8. Yes, October 2021, number 8. Click here, go to part number 10. It is already downloaded, so just open. Yes, it is opened and the journal is here. This is the information. Thank you so much.